here.
And Mimi over here.
And today we are going to be going to Learning Express, and we have a surprise location at the end of Learning Express. Can you guess where the gift card is? Bam! Here's the Learning Express gift card. Let's show you guys our outfits of the day before we leave. Here's my outfit. I have this cute pink sweatshirt with some jeans and also my Nike shoes with white socks under. And I think this outfit is absolutely so cute. This is Mimi's outfit. She has the same sweatshirt as me, different jeans, and some white socks like me too. So we're matching today. Guys, we'll see you guys on the way to Learning Express. And boom. We wait for Dad. Mimi's trying to do the hula hoop. She can't get it. Here, record me doing it, and maybe I'll get more than you.
Okay, so stand in the tube, so let's see how well I can do this. 1, 2, 3, oh. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's not what we're
Alright guys, so we're both in the car and we're both going to get buckled.
Yeah, and we're so excited to go to Learning Express. Learning Express.
Yep, and in case you guys were worried, we do still have the gift card. Sorry for not finishing that Learning Express gift card transition. I forgot, so we'll see you guys when we're at Learning Express. Transition time. Transition. Wait, did we even go anywhere? Let me see. Wait, I think I see Learning Express. Do you?
Me too.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's that store right there. I'm so excited. We'll see you when we're walking in the door to Learning Express. Guys, I found the slimes and I think I'm gonna get a slime. They have PBJs and Jelly Roos. They have PBJs and I'm definitely getting this frog. So cute. I've never seen this one before. I just noticed this was actually a Jelly Roo. I want to look at the slimes because I'm definitely getting one. Ooh, look at this. There's Dragon Fruit Twist. Ooh, Marshmallow Puff. This one is so cool. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna keep trying to decide. They also have some, this one is like Buttercream, Frosting Frankenstein Graveyard or something. So cool. Guys, I'm not sure if I want to get the Nido Cool Cats or the Nido Dig-It Pig. They're both pink. Which one would you get? They're both so cute. Guys, I think we got all we wanted, so we'll see you guys at the surprise place, and then we'll do a haul later.
So cute.
At the mystery location. At the mystery place. We're here at the mystery place, and we'll give you one hint. Do you know where we are based off of these words? Bouncy, bouncy. We're at dun 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 Sky Zone. You would have known that we went here from our Sky Day, so make sure to go check that out after this video.
Yeah. Woo! Haha, nice. Nice job, Mimi. You did it, man.
Yeah,
That's awesome.
But it like.
Good job, girl. Uh-oh. Nice. 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 Nice.
How dare you?
Good job. Good job, girl. Okay. Good job, girl. I know it is. Oh, and again. Nice. Okay. Good job. I got you, baby. Nice. Keep going. Nini, watch out. Go, keep going. Nice. There you go. Good job. Get to the next one. There you go. Good job. There you go. Keep going. There you go. Yeah. Push up. Use your muscles. Okay. And he's going up high. There you go. There you go. Good job, Andy. Yeah, there you go. Touch the top. There you go. Jump off of there. Yes. Yay! Nice. Use your muscles. Good job, baby.
Now reach your other foot up to that tiny one.
Yeah, now jump. You gotta jump up sometimes. It's all right, you get up pretty high. Sometimes you're just spread out too far for your arms. There you go. There you go. Yeah, reach your left leg up. You can go higher. Yeah, you just need to take a step with your left. There you go. Don't lean out that way. As soon as you lean out that way, that's the hard part. You have to like jump up to the next one. Sometimes you gotta jump in this business. Good job, Andy. Nice. Go ahead. First time. Nice. Smoked it that time. Here comes Mimi. Oh, Mimi. All right. Why are you stopping, Mimi? There you go. Good job. Hey, when you get on the pole, cross your legs and then you let go with it. Yeah, and then let go of your hands. Yep. Yep, there you go. Now you can kind of let go. Squeeze it with your legs. All right. Just squeeze with your legs and you can let go.
Hey guys, I'm so happy that we went here today and we got so many things accomplished that we haven't done. I got up the long thing by myself and I've never done that before. And I got up the ladder thing by myself. I never did that before. And I also went up all the way on the rock wall. And I've also never done that before.
And you did a flip off the high thing.
Yeah, and I did a flip off the high thing.
So did Mimi.
Yeah.
You got anything to say, Mima?
I had fun too, and I hope you guys like this video.
Stay tuned because in this video we will be doing our fidget haul once we get home. Today I had so much fun. I'm so sweaty. We're outside now and the breeze feels like so cold because now that it's fall, it's like
Yeah.
Like I feel sweat, but it feels so nice out here. And now that it's fall, it's getting colder. And if it was still summer, it would have still been hot, and that wouldn't have been that wouldn't have been as good as this cold weather coming outside. And I'm in short sleeves. I'm not even cold. I mean, I have to admit, I am kind of cold. It's getting kind of colder. Okay, see you at home. Guys, I'm so excited because we're about to go to McDonald's before we get home. All right, GooMie, so we're back home, and now we're going to be doing our fidget haul. I'm super excited. So each of us are going to show you one of the squishies.
Yeah.
So we got 2 pig squishies. So first, I'll show you the packaging too. We already took it out, but I got the Neato Dig It Pig, and it's so cute. Look at it. And it's just like a Neato because it is a Neato, but in a pig shape. But it is so cute.
Okay, is it my turn now?
Let's do a little ASMR. Well, let's stop tip-tapping for a second. So that is the Neato Dig It Pig.
Okay, now it is my turn. So I got this pig, and this is his little box.
And his name is Piper Pig.
Yeah, and I'm probably going to use this box as his house because actually, I know where he could live. I have a spot where I decorated in my room in a drawer. So, yeah.
All right. Now, we got this jelly root, and it's a frog, and it is so cute.
Squish it.
And there's yellow Orbeez. And there's yellow Orbeez. Dun 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 dun. And then look how cute the little face is. Let's do an ASMR. All right.
Okay, next. Can I try that? ASMR.
Stop. That's loud. I'm trying to do a video. Next, we got this Pop-It Ball keychain, and it's mini. So I'll pop some down and do a little ASMR. So that was the mini Pop-It Ball. Then next is our slimes. So we'll save this one for last. So Mimi, let's open our little butter dough slimes. Wait, I wonder how are you doing that? Oh.
You just have to pull right here. So just pull on the top.
Oh.
Got it. I got it, guys.
Alright, and I got it too. I'll just put this.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to do it.
3. Oh wait, look it. It says it says butter dough on it. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Wait, no.
Ooh.
I broke it. I broke the box. Okay. Is it slime?
No, it's butter dough. Wait, don't stretch it. It puts the stuff all over the place.
Oh.
It's like
So cool.
it's like a squishy but hard.
Wait, yours is pink and mine is purple? Wait, let's see. Here. Let's try ours. Oh. Let's try ours both like that.
No.
Yours looks more like cotton candy.
Alright,
What does mine look like? Yours looks like cotton candy.
break or something. Well, that was the butter dough. That's fun.
Okay, I'm just gonna smooth it out to put it back in there.
Alright. Butter dough. Now I'm gonna get the slime out.
And we can both do it. Because there's only one.
Alright, so I'm going to open it. Okay. Look, there's a big avocado charm and little avocados.
Wait, can I try?
Wait.
You're so rude.
Mimi, stop.
I want to try.
I will let you try.
Why do you say, come on?
Oh my gosh, guys, it smells so good.
What can I smell?
Wait. Stretch. And there's little avocados in there. And Mimi's being dramatic.
No.
So you're not even acting excited.
I am excited. Wait,
It's like... Guys, I love this avocado slime. I found the avocado charm. Avocado puff. Alright, I'm going to put it back in its spot.
And we have a surprise for you. We have a surprise for you.
Okay, now let me close the gap.
We have a surprise for you.
So cute. And real quick, guys, the non-fidget stuff, we actually got some candy. We got some Aftershocks popping candy. So this one is cotton candy. This one is grape. And this one is watermelon. So maybe we can try these in the video sometime. But I'll just put everything back. That's Mimi. I'm seriously. Stop getting the slime out.
You're seeing it.
No, you're not seeing it. You're messing with it.
No, I'm seeing what's this. What is the avocado?
It's an avocado.
I want to see it.
Okay, Goomies. So our food. This is what it looks like. We both got nuggets, fries, ketchup, and sweet and sour sauce. And then my toy is this little thing from Cars, and it says Cars on the Road. I got him. And then we also each got some apple slices. So we're going to start eating, and we both got the same toy, also some water. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had a lot of fun making it and so much fun during the video. We hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
We have to show them what we eat.
No, we don't have to show them us eating. All right, bye, Goomies.
Bye.
All right, Goomies, we are going to be trying these Aftershocks popping candy and getting our reactions for the first time. Okay, I opened it. It smells so good.
Why does it smell like? Does it smell yours better? Yours is pink. Mine is yours is pink. Mine is
Just pour a little bit on your tongue.
blue.
More than that.
It's kind of spicy.
Here's our loud. Got a noisy mouth.
I want to taste yours this time. Okay.
Is it popping in my throat now? I feel a vibration like. Be quiet. They're popping. kind of pop in your throat. It is so good.
How many is there?
It's so good.